It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have another NPHC inspired nail look. And for this video, our organization is Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. And their colors are salmon pink and apple green. So I found some shades of pink and green that I felt were as close to those as possible. Of course, you know, if you want to recreate this and you just like the colors pink and green, then by all means use whatever shade you like. So for this design, I had a couple of things in mind that didn't work out how I wanted them to. So we're going to get to that in a second, but I am first off going in with that soft pink for the thumb, middle, and pinky. And I tried to do an ombre, but it didn't really work out how I wanted it to. I actually tried to do an ombre twice in this video, and you're going to see both times was a fail. Now that I'm watching this and I kind of figured some things out after the fact. So in a video eventually I'm going to show you guys how to do an ombre with the gel polish, but at this particular moment in time I just couldn't get it right. So I removed that pink and just went in with the green to finish those off. So for this middle finger, I had this idea to do a nice little like swirl on the nails using some of the pink and the green rhinestones. So you're going to see me do that here. And what I like to do is just kind of get them on there and then slide them where I want them to be. So that is one of the advantages of using like a bling gel or a top coat versus a glue, because with the glue it's going to dry wherever you put it, and with the gel, you know, you have a second to kind of move it around until you cure it in the lamp. And I am loving this rhinestone picker that I got from Amazon. Definitely check out that Amazon haul video if you have not seen it. After I get those where I want them, I just pop that in the lamp. For this nail, I wanted to use some of my glitter. This is my Pretty Clover glitter. It is currently out of stock. Hopefully it will be back in stock soon. Of course, I will let you guys know. But I applied some of that top gel and I just put this all over it, and I'm going to pop it in the lamp. But first I like to press it down just to kind of make sure that it's a nice flat layer. And any spots that are uncovered, I just try to make sure I get some glitter all over that. And then into the lamp it goes. And here I had a little boo-boo. I just dropped it in there on accident. And when I looked at it, I was like, I tried to get it off of there, but of course it has that tacky layer. But because the glitter was kind of at that slant, I was like, okay, let's just go with it. So I added some pink rhinestones around that. and it just worked with the design. So if you make a mistake or an accident happens, just look at it and it might work out. Now for this thumb, okay, I tried to do the ombre again. I went in with a different brush and it just still wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So what I ended up doing was doing a smile line and adding some rhinestones around the smile line, which I think that worked out better. So I removed that pink and just went in with the green and did a smile line. The design that I actually wanted to do, I ended up doing in another video that you guys will see for Memorial Day. And I used some of my double dip acrylics, so definitely come back and check that video out on Memorial Day to see the design that I had in mind. After I get that smile line decent, I go in with the rhinestones. If you are not that good with your smile lines, just pop some rhinestones on it and it will be good to go. I do really like doing these press-on sets. They are a bit easier than doing like the full acrylic application and then the design. So if you guys have some design ideas that you guys want me to do or that you want to see me try out with my own little spin on it or something, definitely put that in the comments, because I have been enjoying using the gel polishes to get all of these different looks. Let me know in the comments if you will rock this set. Okay, it came out like really nice with all of the accidents and mistakes that happened. So make sure that you guys like, comment, share the video. Okay, if you know some members of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority, go ahead and send this video to them. I'm sure my mother-in-law will love this set, okay? She is a member, and my husband, he said that he liked the set, so that sells a lot. Don't forget to put your organizations in the comments and those colors. If you are in a community service organization, a business organization, put that information in the comments along with your colors so that we can get some nail designs out for you guys as well. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.